Days of the week. Sunday. On Sunday, we rest and relax, just like a lazy cat on its mat. Monday. Monday's a day to start anew, just like a bunny with a spring in its shoe. Tuesday. On Tuesday, we are as busy as a bee, gathering pollen from every tree. Wednesday. On Wednesday, we are tough as a bear, with our strengths and will. We work hard all day. Thursday. Thursday is a day to learn and grow, just like a wise old owl, don't you know? Friday. On Friday, a time for fun, just like a monkey on tree. I will leap and swing, chase the day with a happy grin. Saturday. On Saturday, the day is bright, just like a lion's might. I will leap and jump without a frown. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday.